Welcome to MS Craftshop. This is my first video of 2026 and I wish you all the best for the year ahead. May it bring you endless creativity and joy. After a busy but positive start to the new year, I'm excited to be back with the presentation of my new Accordion-Folded Mini Photo Album. Continuing the Christmas and winter theme, I had originally planned to add this project to last year's 11-hour Christmas gift series. However, I started the tutorial a little too late and ran out of time to finish it. If you follow my channel, this project may seem familiar. The album's concept is based on the same idea I used to create this Halloween album. You can find a detailed presentation of that Halloween album on my channel. The link is in the description box below. Many of you asked if I would make a tutorial for this project, so here it is. Today I will present the completed album. Tomorrow be sure to visit my channel for a step-by-step tutorial on how to make it. The album measures 21 by 14 cm and accommodates photos in several sizes: 13 by 18 cm, 10 by 15 cm, 9 by 13 cm and smaller. I decorated it with my Snowy Valley paper collection, available in my Etsy store in 3 digital sizes: 6 by 6, 8 by 8 and 12 by 12. If you are interested in buying these papers, you will find the store link under the video. Don't forget to use the code January 2026 at checkout for 10% off. Enjoy the presentation and share your thoughts in the comments. I hope you will join me tomorrow to create together. See you soon!